in Blender. Nothing like what I suggested at the beginning, that is table mounting, but it's a tiny bit close as an analogy, so it illustrates the point. So we have a plane. That plane has a lot of vertices, and I've used the C circle tool to select a set of vertices, extend it upwards. So first of all, let's switch off proportional editing, and I will go to G, and we're in edit mode, go to G and Z, and then we scroll upwards. And that's not what we want, because that's a cylinder, isn't it? Let's accept that though, and then do a scale. What does that give us? So that brings it in, but it's not, it's more like a volcano. It's not quite what we want. So let's escape that and Control Z that. Now, if I switch on proportional editing, then if I now do G, that has given us a circle. Gives us an indication of the degree of severity of the slope that's going to be applied. I've done my G, and now I'm just moving up. I can move across here, of course, or I could constrain it to the Z axis. Now if I take the mouse wheel and I scroll it down towards me, then the slope becomes shallower. And if I scroll the mouse wheel, the middle mouse wheel, away from me, then the slope becomes more vertical. That's okay. So if I now OK that, click the left mouse button, and let's go back to the original grid, which didn't have a selection in it. I'm in edit mode in a plane, this plane with a lot of vertices, and do the C, enlarge by using the scroll mouse, enlarge the size of the circle. And I'm just going to plonk it there, clicking left. And now if I go, hit return to accept that selection, then go to proportional editing. And let's look at it from the side this time. So from the orthographic view, the front orthographic view. So we're in G, and we're in proportional editing, a G and a Z to constrain it to the Z axis and give us some symmetry. If I just scroll up like that, then we see the slope is quite severe. If I now move the mouse wheel down towards me, then the slope is less accentuated. So hit return to accept that. Let's see what it looks like in the top view, numpad 7, and take a little look at it from the user perspective. That's all. Thanks.